Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we are going to see exercise 1.5. In that, let us read the first question. Determine the following. In the first bit, log 5 base 25. Before solving this problem, here just I would like to narrate a small story. Okay, it's a small and short story. It has link with this problem. Okay, so let us see here. There is, for example, there is a person, we can call him as a dad and son. Two people are there, okay. One is dad and another one is son. So, here whenever, for example, you just imagine that dad has a cap with him, even son also has a small cap with him. So, if we happen to apply logarithm for both, you just visualize, okay. So, immediately dad, he will throw his cap. So, here what will happen? Imagine that here is a table. So, here log, this cap will be coming and falling here. So, here dad is there without cap. Immediately son, he follows his dad, he too will throw his cap, but it will be falling below the table. So, here son is alone, right. See, observe this one. Same way, if we write the formula, log, in place of dad I am taking a, in place of cap I am taking power m. Here son I am taking as b, in place of cap I am taking n, because here it is a bigger cap, it is the smaller cap. So, here I changed both of them. So, here dad cap will be coming here. So, it is m and this is the table, and here son's cap will be coming and falling down the table. So, it is m by n. Log, here dad is alone. So, a is alone and son is also alone. So, b is also alone. So, here for this problem, we are going to connect this problem to this formula. Let us see how will it be connected. It is 5, it is 25. We can write 25 as 5 square, right. So, let us write log this 5, I am writing as it is, this 25 I am writing as 5 square. Here 5 can be written as 5 power 1. So, here dad cap, son cap. So, here what will happen? This cap comes forward. So, it will become 1. This cap comes forward by this cap also comes forward. So, it is 1 by 2. Now, the leftover values are log dad means 5, son 5, right. And in logarithm one more case is also there. Here dad value different, son value different, but here both are equal. When both are equal, it is 1. So, we can write it as when it is log a, and here we should not take base b. Why? Because here both are same. So, I am taking log a, base a is 1. So, based on this formula, we can write this value as 1. So, it is 1 by 2 into 1 is finally 1 by 2. So, here let us do a small thing. Now, here we will forget about this story and let us connect this problem with a formula like this. Since log a power m base b power n is equal to m by n times log a base b, that is the formula is applied here, and here log a base a is equal to, that is applied here. So, finally, log 5 base 25 is equal to 1 by 2 is the final answer. Now, let us see next bit, that is log 3 base 81. So, here this 81, let us consider 81 here and let us factorize it. 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So 81 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 power 4. So here I rewrite this question as log 3 as it is. 81 I am writing as 3 power 4 because 81 is 3 power 4. So here again you see it is nothing is there, means 1. Here this is 4. Now again we have the formula, that is log a power m base, we can take here b power n, or here as both are equal we can take a power n. See here how I am comparing the formula. Here 3 and 3 both are equal, that's why I am taking same alphabet, whereas here 1 and 4 are different. Here I have changed m and n. So as I have told you already, just imagine that this as a cap, that cap will be coming forward. So here m by this is also a cap, so this also will be coming forward, it is m by n. So log, here a is alone and here a is also alone, right. So let us apply the formula here. So let us throw this one, so it will be 1 by 4 log, here 3 is alone, log 3 base 3. So already you know log a base a value is always 1. I have told you here log a base a always it is 1 when both the values are equal, that value is 1. So let us write here 1 by 4 into 1. So finally it is 1 by 4. Now let us see next bit, log 1 by 16 base 2. So here it is log 1 by 16, let us take this 16 and factorize the 2, here 2 is there, so better we can write with 2 only. So 2 8 jar 16, 2 4 jar 8, so 2 2 jar 4. So here we can write 16 as 16 is equal to 2 power 4. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So let us come back to the problem here. It is log 1 by 16 as 2 power 4, here base is 2. So it can be written as log 1 by 2 power 4, when we bring it up the exponent will become negative, it is 2 power minus 4 base 2. So here we can write this as 1. Let us take the formula again here. This is the father's cap as I have explained in the earlier video. This you take as son's cap. So here what will happen? This minus 4 comes forward by this 1 also comes forward. Here it is log 2 base 2. Here for your information, here I am writing the formula also. We can write it as log C A, 2 is A, here also 2 is A. Now here these two are different, I am taking different alphabets m and n. So as I have told you, m and n they come forward, it will become m by n times log A base A. So let us write here it is log 2 base 2. Now in the next step 4 by 1 into log 2 base 2. Here log 2 base 2, when both the values are same, that value is 1. So it is into 1. You can here cancel 1 and 1, no problem. So it is minus 4 is the final answer. Now let us see next bit, that is log 1 base 7. Here we need to use our logical thinking, children. Here 1 power, can 1 power anything be 7? 1 power 1, 1 power 2, 1 power 3, 1 power anything, it cannot be 7. Then you just think in reverse, 7 power anything can become 1? Sure, 7 power 0 is 1. So let us write this one as 7 power 0, the simple logic, okay, that is required to solve the problem somehow much more faster. So let us write this one as log 1 can be written as 7 power 0, base already 7 is given, we can write 7 as 7 power 1. Now here let us here round up the powers. So here you can see here 0, it will come forward, that is 0 upon means 0 by, here 1 will come, it is log 7 base 7. Here the formula what I applied is log a power m base a power n can be written as m by n times log a base a. So here 0 by anything is 0 into log 7 base 7. So I have already told you log a base a is always 1. So log 7 base 7 is also 1, 0 into 1 is 0. So 0 is the final answer. Now let us see next bit, that is fifth one, log root x base x. So here we can write root x as x power 1 by 2. Here let us write x as it is, x can be written as x power 1. Now here let us round up the powers, this is 1 by 2, this is 1. So here this 1 by 2 comes forward, it is 1 by 2 by 1 log, here 1 by 2, it came forward, so here x is alone, here 1 is not there, it came forward, so here x is alone. So here the formula applied is log a power m base a power n is equal to m by n times log a base a. Here I continue same, is equal to m by n times log a base a is 1. So we can write it as m by n, children. So in that way also we can close the problem. So here this is m by n into log x base x, this is already 1. So this one get cancelled. So final answer is 1 by 2. Let us see next bit, log 512 base 2. So let us take here 512 and let us write it in the power of 2. So here what should we do? We should divide with 2. 2 times 256 is 512. 2 times 128 is 256. 2 times 64, it is 2 times 32, it is 2 times 16, right? It is 2 times 8, it is 2 times 4, it is 2 times 2. So here let us count how many are there. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 512 can be written as 2 power 9, right? So let us write in place of 512, let us write 2 power 9. So this is log 2 power 9 base 2 means 2 power 1. Let us here consider these powers, this is 9, this is 1. So here already we have told you one formula, that is log a power m base a power n can be written as m by n times log a base a. Again this is m by n times, this is 1. So we need not to write it, because m by n into 1 is m by n only. Based on this formula, here we can write 9 by 1, because log 2 base 2 is 1, we can omit it. So 9 by 1 into 1, cancel 1 and 1, so final answer is 9. Now let us see next bit, that is seventh one, log 0.01 base 10. Here you see, let us take this 0.01, children, 0.01, it can be written as 1 by, simple way I will say, you just write in reverse order, it is 100, so 1 by 100. Is it clear? If you simplify this, you will get that value only. So here it is 1 by, again 100 can be written as, here you just keep concentration, 10 is there. So we can write this one as 10 square. So it can be written as 10 power minus 2. When this it comes up, the exponent will be negative. So let us write this value here. So it is log 10 power minus 2 base 10 power nothing, means 1 is there. So here let us take values of these powers. So those powers come forward. Before that we should write a formula, right? So let us write the formula as log a power m base a power n can be written as m by n times log a base a. So that is nothing but m by n, because it is 1. So here directly I am writing, children, answer, it is minus 2 by 1, because log 10 base 10 is 1, we need not to write it. So minus 2 by 1, nothing but minus 2. So here minus 2 is the answer. Now let us see next bit, that is 8th bit, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. See here, if you observe, here 2, 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube, right? 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So here, without wasting much time, let us write it directly. See, I am writing 8 as 2 cube, it is 2 cube, by 27 as 3 cube. Here base 2 by 3, I write as it is. Is it clear? Now log, whenever the powers or exponents are same, we can write in a single bracket, children. So here 2 power 3 by 3 power 3 can be written as 2 by 3 whole power 3, right? Base, let us maintain the same 2 by 3. So here nothing is in the power, means 1 is there. Now let us round up the powers, it is 3, it is 1, right? See, these two are same, that's why I am rounding up the powers. And here this power 3, it comes forward, here 1 also comes forward. So before that we should add the formula. Let us write log a power m base a power n is equal to m by n times it is log a base a. So already you know this value is 1, so it can be written as m by n also. Based on this formula, let us write this answer. Here you see this 3 comes forward, here 1 also comes forward. So this answer is 3 by 1, 3 by 1, nothing but 3. So finally this answer is 3. Now let us see next bit, 9th bit, 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. See children, here it looks complicated, but this is a very easy problem children. So let us see here. First, here a power m plus n. So here I write the formula here children. A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n, right? So here same logic let us apply for this. So let us take it as a power m plus n. Here this full is n. So here I am writing this as a power, a means 2, power m means first one, that is 2, into, so dot also acting as into only. So here a means again 2, power n means log 3 base 2, right? So here we can write 2 square directly as 4. Now let us see what about this. Let us see what about this now. See here there is another formula children, that one here. See, these two numbers are equal, these two numbers are equal. So I am taking this number and this number, both are equal. Hope you are understanding. These two are equal, so I am taking these two with, I am replacing both the numbers with same alphabet since they are same. Here this is different, so I am taking this one as some other different alphabet m. Then what happens, you know, this m will be the final answer. That means here a power log m base a is always m. So here if you observe, this 2 and this 2 both are equal, we can remove the logarithm and we can write 3 directly. So here based on this formula, so answer 4 3s are 12. Now let us see next question, that is write the following expressions as log n. Means these together combined we should write in a single log, that is the meaning of log n, and find their values wherever possible. Let us see, after finding that log n, if possibility is there, means if possible we should find the value also. Let us see here. See the question children, first bit, log 2 plus log 5. You do not think that log 2 plus log 5 is equal to log 2 plus 5 7. For example, if you think this as single logarithm, right, and 2 plus 5 I will add directly. So it is log 2 plus 5 equal to log 7. This is the wrong answer children. Actually you should not write like this. Then what to do? Let us see here, log a plus log b. Observe here, as the numbers are changing, I am changing the alphabets. Very simple. Here this is not log a plus b. If it is a plus b, we could have added earlier. It is not a plus b. Then what is this? It is a into b. Observe here children, in logarithm the summation of logarithm can be written as in a single logarithm with their product, means with their multiplication. So this formula you have to remember, or you just observe, it is very easy, simple. Whenever plus is there, you need to do into, right? Now here let us write here log 2 means a plus log b means here 5 is b, log a into b, here a means 2, B means 5. It is 2 into 5. Let us write 2 into 5. So it is log 2 into 5 is log 2 5s are 10. Here, till here you see we have expressed this as single logarithm. Now let us see the continuation question. Find their values. We should find its value wherever possible. First you think whether it is possible or not now. Okay, half of the part is over. Now we are going for the further one. Now let us see whether it is possible or not. Here you need to remember one thing, children. Whenever base is not given, we can take base as 10 for every problem. You remember that. So here in the formula also you can write as base 10. So here also it is base 10. Here also it is base 10 for every problem. Whatever number comes here, you can take 10 only. So here I have already discussed with you the formula, that one log a base a. Already we learnt it. Log a base a. When both the values are equal, it can be written as 1. Here also log 10 base 10, it can be written as 1. So here let us write the final answer. See here 2 bits are asked. It can be expressed as log n. So it is log 10. We can write base 10 also, I told you, and its value is 1. So this is the final answer, children. Second bit, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Here do not write it as log 16 minus 2 14, 2 minus 2 0. That is the wrong procedure. Now let us see what is the actual thing is to be done. It is log, see these two are different. I am taking log a minus log b, right? Same bases are there. You can write the same base or you can leave it. It's not at all problem, children. If at all you want, you can write the base also. It's not at all a problem. So it is log, whenever subtraction is there. If addition is there, multiplication. If subtraction is there, division. So it is same base can be written as same base can be written. So let us apply this formula here. It is simple. It is log, see a means 16 by b means 2. In these two bases we can write one base like this. So here also one base. So let us simplify this one as log 8 base 2. So we have written the form of log n. So first part, this is the first part of the problem, and the second one, if possible, we will simplify this. Let us see here, children. Let us take log 8 base 2. As we have done the earlier problem, that is log 8 can be written as in powers of 2, it is 2 cube. Here 2 power 1. As I have told you earlier, these powers come forward. So it is 3 by 1. Log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. 1 get cancelled. Here this 3 is the second answer, and here the formula what I used is log a power m base a power n equal to m by n times log a base a, that is 1. So here I can write as m by n. That formula is used here. So here both the answers, children. Log 8 base 2 is the first part and 3 is the second part of this problem. Next one, that is third bit, 3 power 3 into log 4 base 64. It is 3 into log 4 base 64. So it can be written as single logarithm. So let us send this 3 as power. So already we have discussed a formula, children. That is what? Log a power m b power n. Okay. So it can be written as, let us remove this power, no problem. So here this one will come forward. So it is m times log a base b. So these two are same, children, right? Log a power m base b can be written as m times log a base b. Same way here, same way from this side you read the formula. M into log a base b is equal to log, this m moves up, log a power m base b. Based on that formula, here we can write this as log 4 power, this 3 moves there. So log 4 cube base 64. So here log 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. So that is 64. Here base is also 64. So we have converted this one into single logarithm, first part over. Now if you go to the second part, let us continue here only. The second part of the problem is, if possible we should find the value of log 64 base 64. It is very easy. We have a formula, children, that is log a base a is always 1. So based on that formula we can write log 64 base 64 also 1. This is the second answer for the same problem. Now let us see next bit, that is fourth bit, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. So here as usual let us send this 2 to the power. So it is log, it can be written as 3 square minus this 3 also can be shifted to here, it is log 2 cube. Which formula is applicable here? The formula is, see here, m times log a can be written as log a, this m moves here, it is log a power m, right. Now here is equal to log 3 square is 9 minus log 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. Now again one more formula, children, here, that is we have already discussed log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b, right. Here whenever it is minus, here divided by will come, so division will come there. So it is log, here a means 9 by b means 8. Is it clear, children? So here you see it is changed in the form of log n. Now find their value wherever possible. For example, here base, if we are able to write base as 9 by 8, then we can say its value is 1. But I have told you, children, whenever no base is there, if at all base is not given, we should take only 10. We should not take the value, whatever value we want, we should not take it. So we should take only 10. If no base is given, we are supposed to take only 10. So it is, you see here, these two values are not equal, and that too 10 cannot be written as its power. Same way 9 by 8 also cannot be expressed, its power cannot be expressed as 10, or 10 power nothing is 9 by 8. I repeat, 10 power nothing is 9 by 8, 9 by 8 power nothing is 10. So here this problem cannot be solved further. So here this is only the answer, because here we are able to solve up to log n only. Clear? Now let us see next bit, that is fifth bit, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So here let us write log 10 as it is, plus, as I have told you, this can be taken as a power. So here it is log 3 square, log 3 square I am writing directly, children, it is log 9. Hope you understand. It is square, 2 will be going there, it is 3 square, so 3 square is 9 minus log 2, right. So I would like to apply here formula. As you are remembered, there is a rule BODMAS, in that whenever addition subtraction comes, we should give preference for addition, children. After completion of addition, then only we should do subtraction. So let us take this part of this problem, because it has addition, right, and it is in the formula log a plus log b, log a plus log b. I have told you already what is the formula of log a plus log b. It is log ab. We can say log a into b also. So let us apply that formula here. It is log a into b. So 10 into 9. 10 into 9 is 9 10s are 90, right, minus this log 2. Now again you observe here, children, log a minus log b. It is log a minus log b. We have formula for that also. Log a minus log b can be written as log a by b, right. So we apply this formula here. So it is log a means 90 by b means by 2. So 90 by 2 is 45. So it is log 45. So first part is over, and here as usual find their values whenever it is possible. See here, everything, if nothing is there, I told you we can write it as power 10. So again 45 can't be expressed as Okay, 10 power something. 10, it cannot be expressed as 45 power something. So, for this problem, this is the last step. Now, let us see next question, that is question number 3. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given that x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Here it is very simple, children. Convert this problem in terms of log 3 and log 5. In simple words I am saying, convert 15 in terms of 3 and 5. Just think, simple, 15 is equal to 3 into 5, isn't it? So, we can use it directly. So, I am writing this log 15 as log 3 into 5 base 2. As we know the formula, log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. So, it can be written as log 3 plus log 5. Same base can be splitted. So, here log 3 base 2 is nothing but x plus log 5 base 2 is nothing but y. Therefore, here log 15 base 2, therefore, log 15 base 2 can be written as, in terms of x and y, it is x plus y. This is the final answer for this bit. Let us see next bit, that is second bit, log 7.5 base 2. So, here let us rewrite log 7.5 as 75 by 10 base 2 as it is. See here, after this decimal, if one digit is there, it can be multiplied with 10. If suppose two numbers are there, it can be divided with 100. So, like that 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10, right. Now, here let us do cancellation. Here with 5 we cancel, it is 5 15s are and 5 2s are. So, it can be written as log 15 by 2 base 2, right. Here is the formula, it is log a by b, it is log a by b. So, I am writing this as log a minus log b. Here same base I am giving for both. Here the formula what I applied is log a by b can be written as log a minus log b, right. Now, here 15, same bit you observe, children, same, this is the first bit earlier we have done. Of course, we can do here also, but here orally I am saying that one, right. So, 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So, that can be splitted as log 3 plus log 5 with the formula log a into b. See here I am showing 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So, it is log 3 into 5 can be written as log 3 plus log 5. So, let us give the same base, right. So, here minus log 2 base 2 I am writing for the time as it is. Now, let us conclude the problem here. See here, children, log 3 base 2, hope you are able to see, log 3 base 2 is nothing but x. So, for your convenience I am writing this step here, children. It is log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. See, from the question you see log 3 base 2 can be replaced with x. So, it is x plus this is y, and as I have told you already, log a base is always 1. So, log 2 base 2 is always 1. So, this is the final answer for this bit. Now, let us see next bit, that is third bit, log 60 base 2. So, here this 60 can be expressed as in terms of 3 and 5. So, let us try this one, consider 60 here. So, this one let us divide with 3, it is 3 20s are. Now, with 5 4s are, Again here this number, it can't be divided with 3 or 5, so we can write with 2, so it is 2 2s are. Finally 60 can be written as 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3 into 5, right. So let us write this problem as log, see, 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. You just observe here children, 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 only. So now here it is log a b c, so we can split that one as log a means log 2 square, here it is into means plus comes, plus log b means log 3, plus log c means log 5. So here, right. So now here base 2 is there, so I am writing for every value 2 itself. So this 2 comes forward, 2 times log 2 base 2 plus this value is nothing but x, this value is nothing but y. So already you know log 2 base 2 is 1. So 2 1s are 2 plus x plus y. This is the final answer for this question. Now let us do next bit, that is fourth bit, log 6750 base 2. So here let us consider 6750, let us divide with 2. First let us take 2, because your ending number is 0, it is an even number, so we can try with 2. So here you see 2 3s are 6, here 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 2 5s are. Now as it is ending with 5, by the divisibility rule we can divide this one with 5, 5 6s are here 30, so 37, 5 7s are here 25, 5 5s are, right. Again let us try with 5, so it is 5 13s are 65, so 5 5s are, again with 5, right. So it is 5 2s are 5 7s are. Now 3 comes, it is 3 9s are, again with 3 3s are. So here I am writing log 6750 as, see, 2 into 3, 1 2 3, 3 is there 3 times, so I am writing 3 power 3 into 5, let us count 1 2 3, so 3 times 5 is there, so we can write 5 cube. Is it clear? So base 2 we write as it is. Now here let us split this logarithm for each term, so it becomes log 2 into becomes plus log 3 cube, again into becomes plus log 5 cube. See, same base can be given for all, right. As you know children, log 2 base 2 is always 1 plus this 3 comes forward, so it is 3 times log 3 base 2, log 3 base nothing but x, so we can write as 3x plus here 3 comes forward, it is 3 log 5 base 2, here 3 comes forward, so 3 is not there, so log 5 base 2, it is nothing but y, so here 3 times y, here 3, this is y. So final answer for this bit is 1 plus 3x plus 3y. Let us see next question, that is question number 4. Expand the following. First bit, log 1000. So here let us take 1000 and we are going to write the prime factorization. See children, here prime factors, least prime factor is 2, next 3, next 5, so on. So let us take first number here, let us divide 1000 with 2, 2 500s are 1000, again with 2 250, again with 2 125. Now here 2 125 cannot be divided by 2, so let us go to 3. What is the rule of 3? We should add every number, all the digits. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 1 8, 8 is not divisible by 3, so next 5, so here 5 25s are 125, again let us divide this one with 5, so that's all. So let us count here 2s, how many are there? 1 2 3, 5 is also 1 2 3, so 1000 can be written as 2 cube, because 2 3 times it is there, into 5 also 1, 2 and 3. So 5 also 5 cube. So here let us come back to the problem. It is log 1000. 1000 means 2 cube into 5 cube. 2 cube into 5 cube. Right? Now here already we have discussed a formula log A into B. Let us write the formula here. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So let us apply the formula here. So it becomes log A means 2 cube plus log B means 5 cube. As I have told you earlier, here one more formula comes, children, that is log A power m. So we have discussed m comes forward. So it is m times log A. Clear? So let us apply that formula for both the terms. So here it becomes 3 comes forward, 3 times log 2 plus 3 comes forward, 3 times log 5. And here I would like to tell you a small thing. So some of the children, they may be confused with this problem and they may solve in another way. So let us see that one also. So the given question is log 1000. Here you need to understand, children, this is the method which we should not do, children, which we should not follow it, because by mistake you may follow this. That's why I am saying you. So here it is log 1000 is 10 cube. 1000 is 10 cube. So this 3 comes forward. It is 3 log 10. So here no base is there, means we can take 10 as base. So 3 times log 10 base 10 is 1. So it is 3. So you might be thinking that this is also right answer. But here you observe, answer is 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. Here what goes wrong? Here the question is that expand the following. That means we need to split the single logarithm into as many as logarithms we can. But here what will be the question for this? This is evaluate or find. So in that case we need to follow this method. So this method or this procedure is not at all applicable for this question. That you need to keep in mind. Let us see next bit, that is second bit. Log 125 by log 128 by 625. So here, as I have told you, let us write the prime factorization. So we need to take 2, 3, 5, so on. So all the prime numbers. So here consider 128 and let us try this one with 2. So 2 64s, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. Right? Now here let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 128 can be written as 2 power 7. Right? Now let us take another number, that is 625. 625. So let us divide this one with 5. 5 into 125. Again with 5. 5 into 25. Again with 5. 5 into 5. So here finally we can write 625 as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 5 power 4. Right? Now let us come back to this problem. It is log 128. 128 means we can write as 2 power 7 upon, means by 625 is 5 power 4. Now here the formula is log A by B. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. So here let us apply this formula for expanding this. It is log A means 2 power 7 minus log B means 5 power 4. As one more formula here, children, that is what? Log A power m. Log A power m. So here m comes forward. It is m times log A. m times log a. So by applying this formula for both the terms, we get here 7 comes forward, it is 7 log 2 minus 4 comes forward, 4 log 5. This is the answer for this question. Now let us see next bit, that is third one. Log x square y cube z power 4. Here it indicates into, children. If nothing is there means that is into, okay. So again reread the question. Log x square into y cube into z power 4. So here the suitable formula is log, see whenever a into b is there, we are writing log a plus log b. Here one more term is there, so we can take that as c. Log abc can be written as c log a plus log b plus log c. So here 3 terms are there, children. That's why here we extended the formula to the 3 terms. So now here let us come back to the question. Log, here this one a means log x square plus log b means y cube plus log c means z power 4, right? And we have one more formula, that is log c. By looking at the question only we can guess the formula, children. Here it's nothing difficult. See here x power something, so let us take a power something. So m comes forward, it is m times log a. So here the thing is that learning formula is different and we need to apply wherever it is required. That application is also very important. So here we have applied this formula for this. 2 comes forward, it is 2 times log x, plus here 3 comes forward, 3 times log y, plus here 4 comes forward, 4 times log z. So this is the answer for the given question. Let us see next question, that is fourth bit. Log p square into q cube by r. See here, let us consider this product as one term and this is the other term. So it can be taken as log a by b. So let us write the formula here. Log a by b can be expanded as log a minus log b. So based on this formula, let us split this given question. It is log a means p square q cube, minus log b, here b means r, right? Again you see here, children, again this one log a into b. Again internal 2 terms are there, but that is a single product. So we can take that as log a into b. So already we know log ab can be written as log a plus log b, right? So let us apply that formula for the first term. So it becomes log p square plus log q cube minus this log r, let us write as it is, since no power is there to come forward. So here one more formula is also there, children, that is what? Log a power m, where m comes forward. So m times log a, it is m times log a. By applying that formula here, 2 comes forward, it is 2 times log p. Here 3 comes forward, 3 times log q minus log r. So this is the answer for the given question. Now let us see next bit, that is fifth one. Log under root x cube by y square. So here log under root can be written as whole power 1 by 2. X cube by y square whole power, root becomes 1 by 2. Square root becomes 1 by 2. So here log, let us split the same power for both. X power 3 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, by y power 2 into 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. Here the formula what we have applied, a by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. By using this formula we got this step. Now here let us cancel 2 and 2. Now here it is log x power 3 by 2 by y. So here for the further problem we can take it as log a by b. So here, as you know, what is log a by b formula? Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. So by applying this formula we can write this step as log x power 3 by 2 minus log y. So let us write here log x power 3 by 2 minus y. So here again it is in the form of log a power m. It can be written as m comes forward. So it can be written as m times log a. So let us apply that formula. With this problem will be completed, children. So here this power 3 by 2, this power 3 by 2 comes forward. It is 3 by 2 times log x minus, here I forgot to tell you something, it is not single y, it is log y. Log y, because here you see log a by b is log a minus log b. So here this log y comes as it is. So here 3 by 2 log x minus log y is the final answer for this bit. Now let us see next question, that is question number 5. If x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 into log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here you see, children, whenever this if condition gives, we can use it completely, both LHS as well as RHS. But whereas prove that or show that means you need to take LHS, then you will get RHS. If not, you can take RHS so that you will get LHS. And in some problems, if we take the if condition, if you go on solving it, okay, automatically this statement full, okay, this LHS, RHS both together, they will come. So let us see, this problem is that kind of problem. That means we go on solving this. So LHS and RHS separately they will not come. This entire statement will come as answer. Let us see here. First, let us take now here given. So here given. So I told you if condition is to be taken completely. So x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. Here always we need to keep our concentration on the thing what we need to prove. So here you see, children, 2 is there. Just visualize this 2 if it moves here. This is x plus y whole square, right? What is x plus y whole square expansion? X square, it is ready, plus y square, that is also ready, plus 2xy, that is not there here, right? So here let us add both the sides to xy. Then what will happen? It will be converting in the form of x plus y whole square. Then we will apply the log, then this 2 comes forward. Is it clear? So now here let us add 2xy both the sides. Both the sides. So here what happens? Here already x square plus y square plus 2xy. This side also 25xy is already there. So there also I am adding 2xy. Right? Now here this x square plus y square plus 2xy becomes x plus y whole square. For that purpose we have added actually. So here this can be written as x plus y whole square, 25xy plus 2xy. 25 plus 2, 27xy. Right? So now here again you see logarithm is required. So apply log both the sides. So apply log or logarithm both the sides. So here what happens? Let us apply. It is log x plus y whole square is equal to, it is log 27xy. Right? Now in the further step, write 27 as a 3 cube and let us split this logarithm. Here this side, come this side. Now this 2 comes forward. It is 2 times log x plus y is equal to, here you see 27 I am writing as 3 cube. So I can write it as log 3 cube, here into becomes plus log x, here into becomes plus, it is log y. So here I wrote 27 as 3 cube. Okay, nothing else. Now here this 3 comes forward, it becomes 3 times log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here you see where we applied the formula. Here log of a power n becomes log of a power m becomes m times log a. That formula is applied here. So let us write the formula. Log a power m equal to m times log a. And here one more formula here, log a into b into c. We have written as log a plus log b plus log c. So here log a into b into c can be written as log a plus log b plus log c, right? So here again we have written 3 cube, this 3 comes forward, already this formula we have mentioned here. So right, now we check the answer children here. 2 log x plus y, 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y, right? So we got the answer. So it is hence proved. Now let us see next question, that is question number 6. If log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 times log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So here this is given if condition. So let us use completely. If condition is to be used completely. So let us write here given, what is given here? Let us see here, log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 times log x plus log y. Here let us do cross multiplication children. This 2 comes forward. So 2 into, it is 2 into log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 into same thing will come, that is log x plus log y. Here you may commit mistake children. The thing is that when I say cross multiplication, you will think that with this 2 we can multiply this, then with this 3 also we can multiply this. But here you need to understand one thing children, this 3 is in the logarithmic function. So directly we cannot take it out for the cross multiplication, whereas this 2 is outside of it. That is the reason this outside number can be multiplied or divided, whereas this 3 should not be disturbed. That you keep in mind children. So again, as you know, this 2 it moves forward. So the formula is that log a power m can be written as m times log a. Based on this formula we can write this 2. So let us send the 2 up, that is log x plus y by 3, here 2 becomes, here it is whole square, is equal to log a plus log b, formula log ab. So it is log xy. Clear? Here the formula what we applied, log a plus log b is equal to log ab. This is the formula applied here. Right. Now let us continue the problem here. See, whenever log of function log a is equal to log b, then we can remove the log children. Whenever log functions are equal, then we can remove the log. So here log they get cancelled. You need not to cancel, you just leave it like that without writing the log, because here is equal to is there. Let us write only this function, that is x plus y by 3 whole square. X plus y by 3 whole square is equal to here xy. This is xy. Now let us apply here. I think you are able to see it is xy, right? Now here let us split the 2 for both. It is x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square by 3 square, 3 square is 9, so is equal to xy. Now let us split it as x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9 times xy is 9xy. Let us send 2xy that side. It is x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy becomes 7xy. Now divide throughout equation with xy, because here we need x by y plus y by x. So here divide by xy both the sides. When we divide this equation both the sides by xy, let us see here what happens. See, x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7xy by xy. 7xy by xy. As you know children, here x square is x into x. That x and this x get cancelled. So here one x is left, that is x by y, plus similarly y square means y into y, 1y and this y get cancelled. So here leftover value is y by x is equal to x get cancelled, y get cancelled, 7 is left out. So here observe this statement children, this answer you observe, x by y plus y by x is equal to 7. See here we need to find that value only. Find the value of x by y plus y by x. Here x by y plus y by x is nothing but 7. This is the last step of this problem. Now let us see next question, that is question number 7. If 2 power 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. See here again, this is if condition, it can be used completely. So here we can take these two equal or these two equal. Better way children, one alphabet, one constant. If you take these two and let us simplify for x, and again we take these two and let us simplify for y, then those x and y we substitute here, right? So now here let us start doing this problem. I am taking 2.3 power x equal to 1000 because all the three are equal, so we can take it. So 2.3 power x is equal to 1000. 1000 I am writing as 10 cube. 1000 I am writing as 10 cube. So here 2.3 can be written as 23 by 10. See here after decimal one digit is there, so it can be divided 10. Power x is equal to 10 cube. So let us apply logarithm both the sides. So here apply logarithm both the sides. So what happens here? It is log 23 by 10 whole power x is equal to log 10 cube, right? As we have discussed here, x comes forward, so x times log 23 by 10, log 23 by 10 is equal to, here 3 comes forward, this is 3 times log 10. So here x let us write as it is log a by b, can be written as log a means log 23 minus log b is again log 10 is equal to 3 times log 10, right? Now here already if no base is there, we can write 10 as a base, here 10 and here also 10. So here x into log 23, I am not writing 10 also children, whether you write or not it is not a problem, but here you see log 10 base 10 is 1 is equal to here 3 times, this is also 1, so it is 3. Finally here x is equal to, let us send this value down here, it is 3 by log 23 minus 1, right? So this value, let us keep this value in our hand. X is ready children. Now the thing is that we are going to find the value of y. Same procedure. So here 0.23 power y can be taken as 1000 means 10 cube. So here I apply, here 0.23 is there, it can be written as 23 by, see after decimal 2 numbers are there, 2 digits are there, so we can write 23 by 100 power y is equal to 10 cube, right? So here let us apply logarithm both the sides, it is log 23 by 100 power y is equal to log 10 cube. Here power comes forward, so it is y times again log a minus log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. So it is log 23 minus log b. Log b means a log 100 is equal to, here 3 comes forward, 3 times log 10. See here children, I am writing 100 as 10 square. I am writing 100 as 10 square, right? So this 2 comes forward, it is y times, log 23 minus 2 comes forward, 2 log 10 is equal to 3 log 10, right? So let us take the base, every base as 10, here 10, here 10, here 10. So here this is y times log 23 minus 2 into this is 1, 2 1 jar 2 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 1 jar 3. Therefore here y is equal to, let us send this value down, it is 3 by log 23 minus 2, right? So here we found the value of x and y. So here we got x equal to 3 by log 23 minus 1, y equal to 3 by log 23 minus 2. Here I am writing the same values here, so that we can rub these values. Fine. So here we have written x and y. Now the question is that we are in need of 1 by x minus 1 by y children. We have x. So from this let us make 1 by x. So here it is simple, just reciprocal it. So what comes here? Log 23 minus 1 by, here this denominator becomes numerator, this numerator 3 becomes denominator. So here 1 by x is ready. Same way 1 by y is equal to, because we are in need of 1 by x and 1 by y. So here let us reciprocal this also. It is log 23 minus 2 by 3, right? Now consider what is our requirement. We are need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y, right? So here 1 by x means this fraction log 23 minus 1 by 3, it is 1 by x, minus 1 by y. 1 by y means log 23 minus 2 by 3, right? Here when the denominators are equal, we can take it as LCM. LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. Now here we can write the numerators directly. So here log 23 minus 1, here minus, here you need to take care children. Whenever here negative minus is there, how many terms are there in the next numerator? We need to multiply every term with minus. If it is plus, then it is not at all a problem. We can write log 23 minus 2 as it is. But here whenever minus is there, you need to take care children. So here you may commit mistake, you just keep in mind. What is the mistake? Let us see. Minus into log 23, log 23. Here in hurry mood you may write minus 2 as it is, but here you keep concentration children. Minus into minus is plus 2. So here you may commit mistake children. Okay, you keep in mind. So here now it is log 23. See, positive log 23, negative log 23 get cancelled. Now here 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 is the final answer. Now let us see next question, that is question number 8. If 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. So here this is if condition children, so it can be used completely, right? So we can write it as given 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Apply log both the sides. Apply log means logarithm both the sides. So here it is log 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. Again you see here children, this is again power, that is exponent. As you know, it comes forward. Here also it comes forward. Now here let us write it as x plus 1 times log 2 is equal to 1 minus x times log 3. Right? Here we use the formula as log a power m can be written as, here m comes forward, m times log a. So this is the formula we have used here. So here let us multiply log 2 with both the terms. X times log 2 is x log 2 plus 1 into log 2 is log 2 is equal to 1 into log 3 is log 3 minus x times log 3 x log 3. Here you see children, we are in need of finding the value of x. So let us bring x terms one side and constants other side. So here let us see what are the x terms. See x log 2 and minus x log 3, these two are the x terms. So let us bring that term this side. So here it is x log 2 is there, I am taking x as common. So here log 2, when this minus x log 3 comes this side, it becomes a plus x log 3. I am taking x common, so it is plus log 3. Right? So same way here also, let us send this log 2 that side. So it is log 3 positive log 2 becomes negative log 2. Actually here I am rubbing children, you may be thinking this as divided by, that's why I am rubbing. Okay. Now here we need to find x, therefore x is equal to, let us send this value this side. So it becomes log 3 minus log 2, it is multiplication children here. So it becomes a division by log 2 plus log 3. So this is the value of x for this problem. Now let us say next question, that is 9th question. It has 2 bits children. Now first we solve the first bit. Is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So here we need to verify whether log 2 is rational or irrational. Simply if we say log 2 is rational or log 2 is irrational, that is not sufficient children. We have to justify our answer. So here let us consider, for example we can say, if possible suppose that log 2 is a rational. So first we just suppose, means assume, let us assume that log 2 is rational. So every rational number can be expressed in the form of p by q. So here since log 2 is also rational, we can write log 2 as some p by q, where p comma q are integers, especially q not equal to 0, and here special case is p comma q are co-primes. Co-primes children, they do not have common factors. Right. Now here for this logarithm no base, if no base is there we can take 10. So if we convert this one into exponential form, so converting logarithm into exponential form is 2 is equal to, this 10 will be going there children, it is 10 power p by q, right. So this is conversion of logarithm into exponential form. See here, for your understanding I will explain you how it comes. Let us take 2 is equal to 10 power p by q and apply logarithm both the sides. So it is log 2 is equal to log of 10 power p by q. P by q comes forward. So p by q log 10. Log 10 is 1. So it is log 2 is equal to p by q 1 jar p by q. So log 2 equal to p by q. Hope you understand here. So here without giving much confusion, I am going to rub this. So this is what here we converted logarithm into exponential form. Right. Now here 2 power q will be 2 power q is equal to 10 power p by q again whole power q. So that can be written as into 1 by whole power q can be written as into q, right. 10 power p by q whole power q. Powers can be multiplied p by q into q. So let us cancel this q and q. So finally here what we get children here 2 power q is equal to 10 power p. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 whole power p. So 2 power q can be written as 2 into 5 whole power p. Now again here 2 power q. Here this is 2 power p into 5 power p. Let us bring the 2 power p this side. It is 2 power q by 2 power p equal to 5 power p. See here this is 2 power p into 5 power p. I am sending the 2 power p this side. It is 2 power q is already here. So 2 power q by 2 power p equal to 5 power p. Right. Here it is a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So here we can write it as 2 power q minus p is equal to 5 power p. Let us enter here one more a small concept children. That is what here. Here we are finding the value of log 2. Log 2 value we are taking it as p by q. But already you know children log 2 is always in between log 1 and log 10, because here you see observe the numbers here children. 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 10. So their logarithmic values also in that order only, means they are in ascending order only. That means log 1 value is smaller than log 2, log 2 value is smaller than log 10. So here what can be taken already you know children, log 1 is 0 is less than, log 2 we are taking as p by q, right, is less than, log 10 is 1. Now multiply every term with q. It is q zeros are 0 less than q into p by q. Q get cancelled p. It is q 1s are q. So we can say send this p that side. This is 0 less than q minus p. In reverse we can write q minus p is positive, right. Here you see children, actually we entered the sub case because of this step. It is 2 power q minus p is positive. So it is 2 power something. 2 power something is always even number. This is even number, right, is equal to 5 power anything in place of 5. In place of p, you can take any number 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4, whatever value you take children. 5 power 1 is 5, 5 power 2 is 5 into 5, 25, 5 power 3 is 5 into 5 into 5, 125. See the ending number you see 5, 25, 125, 625. These are all odd numbers. These are all odd numbers. So here 2 power something is even number, 5 power p something is odd number. So here we got even number is equal to odd number. This is absolutely wrong children. How the even number can become odd number? So this is contradiction. This is contradiction. Contradiction means our supposition is wrong. What's our supposition? We are taking log 2 is rational is our supposition, that is wrong. Therefore log 2 is not a rational number. If it is not a rational number, which kind of number it is? Log 2 is an irrational number. Clear? As here no place children, I am ready the conclusion here. Log 2 is an irrational number. That's all children. Now let us see next question, that is 9th question, second bit. Is log 100 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So here let us consider log 100. log 100 can be written as 10 square. As you know, this 2 comes forward. This is 2 times log 10. Here we have a formula, children, that is log a power m can be written as m times log a. This m comes forward. Based on this formula, we have written this step. And as you know, there is no base. We can write 10 as a base. So it is 2 times log 10 base 10 is always 1. The formula is that, children, log a base a is 1. Based on that formula, this is 1. So it is 2 1s are 2. So you just see, children, 2 is 2. See here, log 100 is 2. Let us write 2 here. Is 2 rational or irrational? Clearly 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. Whereas root 2 means root 2 is irrational, but 2 is rational. So here you just see the link, children. Here log 100 is a rational number. Therefore log 100 is a rational number.